Today I'll be taking you standard form. I want you to pay a close attention to this topic. It's very simple, at the same time very technical. A number is in standard form when it is written as this: a multiplied by 10 raised to the power of n, where a is between 1 and 10 and n is an integer. Okay, now I want you to master this table. If at all you won't take anything from this class, I want you to take this table home. Number, and we have power of 10. Okay, and you have 1000. 1000 is 10 raised to the power 3. When you have 100, 100 is 10 raised to the power of 2. When you have 10, 10 is 10 raised to the power of 1. When you have 1, is 10 raised to the power of 0. This is coming from indices. I hope you haven't forgotten. 0.1, that will give you 10 raised to the power of minus 1. 0.01 will give you 10 raised to the power of minus 2. And finally 0.001 will give you 10 raised to the power of minus 3. Okay, master this table. Also, before we move on, I want to give you a flashback on place value table. Do you remember that from primary school? Place value table. Let's say for instance you have a number like this: 75,702, and you want to write it in words. The best way of going around this is to put it first in place value table. Let's say we have 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, thanks, and ones. Okay, you can call it units. Okay, now if you are going to place this in place value, this is going to be your unit 2, your 10 is 0, your hundreds is 7, your 5 is in thousands, and your 7 is in 10,000. Now all this put together will go a long way to drive in our topic on standard form. Okay, let's consider one or two examples under standard form. Example 1. When you have 1, 2, 3, let's say 4, and you want to write it in standard form, how do you get about this? Is equal to 1.234 times 1000. Now the question now is, how do I come across this 10,000, or where is this 1000 coming from? Now I just wrote a decimal point here, so I move to the left, which is 1, 2, 3. That's give me 10,000. And if I'm going to write it in standard form, it's going to be 1.234 times 10 raised to the power of 3. Is that clear? Okay, let's have another example. Example 2. If you have 97, that is 97,530. you have this and you want to put it in standard form, is equal to 9.7530 times 10,000, which is equal to 9.7530 times 10 to the power of 4. Okay, that seems very cheap. Let's have two more examples. Okay, example 3. If you have 0.049 and you want this to be in standard form, how do you go about it? You have 4.9 times 10 to the power, you count 1, 2 minus 2. This. But before you do this, you could have actually jumped a step. You could have simplified it a bit further. 4.9 times 0.01, which is something as 4.9 times 10 to the power minus 2. And finally, example 4. If you have 0.0078, how do you trash this? It's 7.8 times 0.001, which is something as 7.8 times 10 minus 3. So this is all about standard form. In your next class, I'll be taking you logarithm.